Hi guys, welcome to day 13 of our design challenge. In today's challenge, I'll be teaching you how to create a happy new month flyer for a real estate company. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process behind this masterpiece. Just so you know, if you have ever struggled to create this kind of design with your smartphone, you better stick with me to the end of this tutorial video because I'm going to be breaking everything down bit by bit. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone, go to image size, change the width to 1028, then click on OK. So guys, click on this last icon, go to color. Now take it to the color icon, change your background color to white. Beautiful. So having done that, let's import the background of the design. So guys, as you can see, I've imported the background. Click on your center icon, then go to relative size, stretch it. Beautiful. Click on this icon, make sure you lock it. So we are creating this design for a real estate brand. Mind you, whenever you want to create a design for a brand, there are certain things you must put into consideration. The choice of font you'll be using for the design, the color scheme for the design, because it is a brand and there are many things that are associated with branding. So it is important you know these things first before you start creating any design for a brand. You get my point? So we're going to import the image you saw on my thumbnail right away. So guys, this is the image I'm talking about. Click on your good icon and go to relative position, stretch it. Yes. Okay. It's too much. Reduce it. Bring it down. Okay. Okay. Increase it a little. And take it up. Okay, this is okay. Now highlight it, copy it, delete the one behind. Okay. Then take this one down. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So the next thing we're going to import is the logo of the brand. It is a real estate company. So guys, this is the logo of the real estate company, Omark Properties. So click on your good icon and go to relative size, reduce it from here. Okay, click on your good icon and go to relative position, centralize it and go to position, bring it down. Okay. Still go back to relative size. Let's reduce the size a little. Now go back to relative position. Make sure you centralize it. This image, let's bring it down a little. So click on this icon. Make sure you lock the three of them. So guys, like I would always tell you, people, I work with a real estate firm. Yes. So we create designs for them. Someone requested for a real estate flyer design. And the person that requested for the design is Refined Graphics. So she told me that she would like me to create a real estate flyer design. Right now, I am fulfilling my promise because I promised her that I'm going to create one. Even though this one is not complex, at least I've fulfilled my promise. I believe that after you are done replicating this design, you'll be able to create more real estate designs. However, subsequently, I'll be creating real estate flyer designs for you guys. Don't worry, I just want to fulfill my promise. That was the reason why I insisted that I must create this flyer design. Now go to your icon, go to text, go to edit, write the word welcome. Then click on OK. Go to font. We'll be using orthography. Please, if you don't have that font, go and download it. Orthography. Yes. Beautiful. Now go to color. Click on this plus icon. Click on color picker. Click on the logo. We'll be making use of this color. You understand? And click on OK. Beautiful. Go to size. Increase the size. Yes. Okay. Just place it here for now. Now go back to text, go to edit, write the word April, since we're in the month of April. Yes. Okay, and go to size, increase the size, so place it here, click on OK, then go to color. First of all, go to font. Yes, we're going to be using Montserrat. Okay, but let's use Montserrat bold. Just like what I said previously, whenever you want to create a design for a firm, now you need to understand the brand, know the kind of font they like, know the kind of color they use. It is very important. Let's use Montserrat black. Okay, now go to color, give it this color. Yes, and go to size. Let's increase the size a little. Okay, increase it again, pick it up, centralize it, and go back to the text, welcome. Okay, go to edit, write TO. Yes, now click on this icon, take it up. Okay, now bring the word April down a little so it can be visible. Beautiful. Now lock this one, highlight this one, which is welcome to. So place it here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and for the word April, let's position it. Okay, I think we'll have to increase it a little, just a little. Yes, this is perfect. Increase it again. I know you are saying this design is too simple. Well, whenever you are creating a design for a firm, you just have to keep it simple. Simplicity is the key when it comes to branding. I know you don't understand what I'm saying, but just recreate the design, even though it's simple. Do well to recreate it. So go back to test again. So we're going to be wishing them well in the month of April. So there's a write-up we're going to place beneath the word April. Okay. Come closer than ever. Okay. Please do well to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, possibly share the video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to smash the notification bell. Very important. Then click on OK. Bring it down, go to size, reduce the size. Okay, place it here and go to font. We'll be using Montserrat medium. Yes, so stretch it, then go to alignment, we'll be using the center alignment. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Then go back to size again. Let's reduce the size a little, so place it here. Okay, click on OK, then go to color. We'll be using the same color. Now go to line spacing. Yes. Now in design, this is what we call color contrast. I don't have time to explain that, but this is what we call color contrast. So I'm going to save this design so we can edit the design. I believe you guys can do the editing. Just go ahead and do the editing. It's a simple design. It's a simple design. So thank you so much, the person that requested for this video. Hope you can see it. This is a happy new month flyer for a real estate company. So thank you so much. And for those of you that have been consistent in the challenge, I also want to appreciate you for being consistent and committed to the challenge. It is for your own good. For those of you that have been sharing my videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Keep doing what you are doing. This is one of the ways you can appreciate me, and I don't take it for granted. It's still Vixen Tech Global. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are here to subscribe, and smash the notification icon. Do not watch the next video that will appear on your screen. See you tomorrow.